Hi Sagittarius, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle cards that I have here. Sagittarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have the Ace of Cups here. I think you were a bit flustered because you had too much on your plate. Possibly, Sagittarians, your schedules had also gone for a toss. Maybe there was also cancellation of planned work. That is why you had to deal with pending work. Even on account of the excess work, there may have been errors. Other than that, Sagittarians, I think this was a time when you needed to work on your relationships a bit. Possibly, you should have been mindful of your words. Sometimes, we could say something untoward and it could affect our relationships or even our prospects, so to speak. That is why you needed to be very careful. Obstacles to overcome this month, or the challenges that June is going to present for Sagittarians, is the Emperor card. This is in the obstacle position, so definitely you need to work on your cooperation skills. You need to collaborate with others. I think Sagittarians, the key here lies in teamwork. Sometimes, we can be very bossy or dogmatic, and this could affect our relationship at work with work colleagues, and it could even have an effect or bearing on the output. Other than that, Sagittarians, I also believe that this month you should focus on learning. Perhaps you should also focus on your health. In essence, I think you'll be a bit temperamental, so you need not overreact to situations. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. I think you're somebody who wants to plan for the future. You need to do the groundwork. Perhaps this is also the time when you will be rewarded for your past efforts. In case there's an appraisal lined up, Sagittarians, I think you can expect an increment as well. Some of you could be very technically challenged, so maybe you're going to invest in those gadgets. At times, Sagittarians, this month, you should also be careful how you invest your money because sometimes we invest more than what is required. And in the end, it all seems that it was unnecessary. The first 10 days of June, we have the Hermit card here. This Hermit is definitely going to provide you with the insight that you desire. Maybe many a times you should steer clear because there are going to be disagreements. It's best, to avoid them or to nip issues in the bud. Times, Sagittarians, you could also feel as though you're all by yourself or you're all alone. Maybe within the home front or within the family, your views are disregarded. That is why you could feel as though you're unwanted. But Sagittarians, it's also possible that your loved ones may feel that you overanalyze things or that you assume too much. I think financial issues could also create disagreements within the family. Maybe you're also somebody who has to live within the boundaries, or there are limitations imposed upon you by your family elders. So this is also going to play on your mind. Nevertheless, I think professionally this is a time for new beginnings and new offers. But sometimes, if you're already working, then you may feel all at sea, but you need to carry on. Perhaps because you're a bit distracted, you may have to redo the tasks that are there. Still, I think Sagittarians, you will complete a lot of tasks in these first 10 days. Besides, we also have the Seven of Pentacles in the influence position. So this is implying that you're going to carry on. Maybe your former clients could also press for your services. I think payment is also going to come in and you are going to be appreciated creatively. Financial transactions, banking work is also going to keep you busy. But you should be careful, Sagittarians, this month because it's highly likely that there could be somebody who you believe is up to mischief. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th June, we have the Hangman here. Primarily, Sagittarians, this is a time when you may feel as though you're sacrificing too much. Maybe you should enumerate what you have done for your family, or even at the workplace, you need to point out because Others could walk away with the plaudits. Other than that, Sagittarians, at this time, you also need to prioritize. You need to focus on tasks which are important to you. You have to adjust your schedule. Maybe work could come up at short notice and you have to pay attention to that. While doing so, I think Sagittarians, you shouldn't overlook the details. You should also seek assistance from others. There's no harm in asking others for help. Certainly, you will be rewarded for your hard work, but you should also guard against ill health this June. The final days of June, that is towards 21st to 30th June, we have the Six of Wands. This is a very welcome card in your reading. You're definitely someone who is going to be the center of attention. You're coming across as someone who is going to be in the limelight, or your popularity seems to be on an all-time high. Your intelligence, your quick thinking is also going to help you make gains. Sagittarians, you are known for your foresight, and this is also going to come in handy. Maybe others around you will agree to your point of view. These final days are also going to be very hectic. I think you will be up and about, but like I said, you could be a bit distracted. So you need to carry all the documents, or even while you are working with gadgets, you should look into the nitty-gritty, or you should look into the technical aspects of the tasks that you are doing. Money could come in, but you may also feel that your pockets aren't too deep, or perhaps you feel that because of somebody's mistakes or someone is being insincere, that is why you don't have much to show. In essence, Sagittarians, it is imperative for you to save for a rainy day. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you're somebody who is going to blow hot and cold. You're not going to tolerate injustice. Neither are you going to tolerate or put up with slow coach workers. Maybe you're also going to look for suitable replacements this month. Incidentally, Sagittarians, it's also likely that former workers could tap you. Maybe they want to rejoin the workplace, so that's also a possibility this month. With respect to your love life, I have this card, toxic relationship. It says possibly some of you are in an unhealthy relationship which you need to do away with. Maybe you should steer clear of such a relationship. You should avoid the person. Maybe you're also being repressed or subjugated in a relationship, and there's no respect here. Sometimes, the toxic behavior of our person or a loved one could also affect our own energy levels. It could sap us or drain us of energy. Nevertheless, I think Sagittarians, you are going to be pursued by the opposite sex. Maybe you're also quite nostalgic because you're thinking about your past admirers. I think if you want to make headway in a relationship, or in case you fancy someone, I think you should not put limitations on yourself. Some of you may fear commitment this month. Maybe you believe that your pockets aren't too deep. That is why you don't want to get into a relationship or in a romantic connection. Romancing Sagittarians, I think this is the month when you will enjoy compliments from your person. Definitely your person sees you as someone who is very brilliant, bright, plus determined. We do have the Six of Wands here, so you're coming across as someone who is stamping his authority at work, and this isn't going to go unnoticed. I think you also want commitment from your partner. You want him to reaffirm his feelings for you because you want a future together. In case you're in a third party situation, maybe you believe that this person is a player. Maybe you will understand this is a toxic relationship which you need to snap out of it, like this twig which needs to break. This trust could also creep into your relationship. I think you are somebody who wants your person to acknowledge you publicly, even if you're in a third party situation, but your partner or your person could be a bit hesitant. Maybe some of you are already married and your spouse is quite suspicious. Infidelity could be a factor here for some Sagittarians here. In case yours is a covert romance, you should be careful because someone could talk about your secret romance publicly. Archangel Raphael is also telling you to look into alternative medicine this month. Like I said, some of you could be suffering from ill health, mentally or physically. You could be a bit drained. So you need to look into alternative healing methods, whether it is yoga, meditation of any form, or it could be due to alternative medicines or crystals, homeopathy, aromatherapy, anything which suits you. I think Archangel Raphael is clearly outlining here that you need to seek a second opinion as well. From the angel therapy deck, we have this card, cancel, clear and delete. We did have toxic relationship. Maybe there are energy vampires around you. We did talk about the same earlier in this reading, so you need to detoxify. You need to clear yourself of these harsh energies if you need to proceed. Maybe there's a idea which doesn't seem to find takers within your family or within the professional sphere, so you need to do away with such an idea. Perhaps you should listen to what others have to say. It could also be, Sagittarians, that you could have an outburst while dealing with the clients. You should be careful of that as well. Maybe Archangel Raphael is telling you to shield yourself as well from these harsh energies or from these situations which you find yourself in. You should ask your angels to step in and guide you this month. I hope, Sagittarius, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.